After the formal observation, there is a post-conference with the observer.
Yes, this is part of Domain 4A. There are 4 questions we will be discussing during the post-conference.
What is the purpose of a post-conference?
There are 3 main reasons for a post-conference. 1. To ensure that the teacher fully understands the strengths of the lesson from the lesson observation. And the reasons for such conclusions are just as important. 2. To ensure that the teacher fully understands areas for development arising from the observation. And of course, the reasons for such conclusions. Finally, and to me most importantly, to be sure the teacher understands the next steps identified to make improvements for student learning.
Yes, some of these may be quick fix steps, while others may be longer and require more detail involving other educators. What else should I know about the post-conference?
The evaluator should conduct the post-conference within 5 days of the observation. The observer will share strengths and areas that need development. No more than 3 will be discussed. The conversation will lead to next steps that will result into professional growth opportunities.
What questions will I expect to answer during this post-conference?
1. Do you feel you successfully achieved the lesson objectives? Why, or why not? What data supports your answer? 2. What do you feel worked well, and what would you refine if you were to teach this lesson again to the same class? 3. Based on student learning of your objectives, what are your next steps? And 4. As you reflect over this observation cycle, what ideas or insights are you discovering about your teaching? Think specifically about your individual professional development plan.
Do I need to have these written out? Or just prepared to answer them during the conference?
You are required to be prepared to discuss these questions with the observer. Whether you write them down or not, is your choice.
The observer is going to provide me with written feedback, too, correct?
Yes. A copy of the post-observation conference tool can be found in this Blackboard course, in handouts and resources.
I should expect to receive feedback about the strengths of the lesson, areas of focus of the lesson, and next steps. Did I remember that right?
Yes, and remember, everyone is expected to grow professionally from these observations.
Yes, we all need to remember that. Let's discuss the remaining part of Domain 4 after a short break.
Sounds great. See you in 5.